Unraveling Idioms. Understanding, cry wolf. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, cry wolf. You might have heard this phrase in conversations, stories, or movies, and wondered about its meaning and origin. Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you will understand what cry wolf means, how to use it, and where it comes from. Cry wolf is an idiom in English that means to raise a false alarm, or to warn people about a danger that doesn't actually exist. When someone cries wolf, they are lying or exaggerating about a threat, and as a result, others might not believe them even when the danger is real. This phrase is often used to criticize or caution someone who has the habit of exaggerating or lying about the severity of a situation. The origin of the phrase, cry wolf, comes from one of Aesop's fables, titled, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. In this story, a young shepherd boy gets bored while tending to his sheep and decides to shout, "Wolf! Wolf!" even though there is no wolf present. The villagers rush to his aid, only to find that there is no wolf. The boy finds their reaction amusing and does this a few more times. However, when a wolf actually appears, and the boy cries out for help, the villagers do not believe him, leading to a tragic end. The moral of the story is that lies and exaggerations can lead to a loss of trust. And when you actually need help, people might not believe you. Now that we know what cry wolf means and where it comes from, let's look at how to use it in sentences. 1. You should stop making up stories about being sick to skip school. If you cry wolf too many times, nobody will believe you when you're actually unwell. 2. The manager didn't believe the employee's complaint about the workload, thinking he was just crying wolf to get out of doing work. 3. It's crucial to be honest in emergency situations. Crying wolf can lead to serious consequences. In each of these examples, cry wolf is used to describe someone who is exaggerating or lying, with the implication that this behavior could lead to a lack of trust. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, cry wolf. We hope this video has been informative and has helped clear up any confusion about what this phrase means and how to use it. Remember, being honest and straightforward is always the best policy to ensure that people believe you when it truly matters. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!